Would you like to go on a field trip and see how yarn is made from llama, alpaca, and sheep's wool? Well, stay tuned because I found a hidden gem called the Sandpiper in Bridgman, Michigan, and it's also a fiber mill, and Anna was nice enough to give me a tour, so let's check it out.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Sandpiper in Bridgman, Michigan, where we have a store chock full of local, regional, and national artisans gifts, and also some fair trade products. Our feature is our yarn cubby, which has this entire wall is our hoof to hanger fiber mill yarn, which is made right here in Bridgman, Michigan, in a yarn mill on the back of the Sandpiper. The primary purpose of the mill is to process fleece for farmers that raise sheep, alpaca, and llama, and they have to clip them a couple times a year, and they ship it to us or drive it over to us, and we're making yarn, roving, batting, and core spun for them. And we have quite a selection of beautiful varying weights waiting for your purchase in our brick and mortar store or online, thesandpiper.biz. Thank you, Laura.
Thanks.
But all the brown boxes that are around here have yet to be processed. So there's probably 8 months worth of processing here.
And this is what the fleece looks like before?
That's it dry,
like fresh?
drying.
Oh.
So when a farmer, sorry Ed, when a farmer brings in fleece, it'll go to the skirting table, and we'll pick out all the vegetable matter, all the debris, sort it out there, and then it comes to one of the washing sinks here, and depending on how dirty it is, or you know what the contents of the fleece are, dictates how long it will stay in the sink. Sometimes fleeces have to be washed 3 or 4 days.
Oh, I could imagine because they get real dirty.
3 or 4 times.
Yeah.
Yes. So the sink, the washing, then everybody wants something different made up. But for the most part, we have yarn and roving. Most of the farmers want yarn and roving. And this is the picker. It's the first step in reshaping the fleece.
That's interesting.
The picker, it comes off the picker, it goes to the carder where the roving is made. And we can also make batting on the carder.
Oh, wow.
And then the pin drafter, we take the roving and feed it into the pin drafter.
Oh, that's...
I think this is Icelandic sheep right here.
Icelandic sheep?
I think it is. And so this is going to remain, I believe, in a natural state, but if a customer wanted a project or a result with some coloring, we can blend it with color roving bits.
Oh, wow.
On this side, from these bins, the roving would come out, and it would be fed up over this white bar here, over the roller, and into the spinner right here.
Wow.
Onto cones.
What a process.
Yes. It's very time consuming.
Yes. Like you don't think of it when you're looking at yarn, you don't realize what all it goes through just to get from the animal.
Yes, and on the other side of this equipment is the plier. So this is a spinner, the plier on the other side, and then that completes the process except for putting it on the skein winder and winding it up.
Look at that winder. I can see it through here. That is.
Yes.
Thank you for showing us this.
You're welcome.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. This is a great field trip. Look at this. This is from their mill in the back that we just took a tour of. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? Look at this wool. I just heard a kitty. Oh, this is pretty. They have good prices here. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Hey, look at you.
Hey, you came out!
Hi.
Sometimes when he hears customers' voices, he comes out because he loves his back.
Oh, he looks just like mine.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Mr. Red.
Mr. Red?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute.
So he started out as Marmalade 4 years ago. And then my husband came up with Mr. Red.
Hi, Mr. Red. You are so cute. You look like Winston. Are these hook things?
Needle holder.
Oh, it's a spool holder. Hi, baby. Hi. How are you, sweetheart? Hi. Aw. You coming to say hi? You are gorgeous. Hi, sweet boy. Mr. Red. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous down here. Look at that. This is the sport weight section. So many bright colors. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so pretty in here. Hi, Mr. Red. So how did you like the field trip? I was so excited when I went there. So it was Mother's Day and my husband was taking me to lunch in Michigan because we only live like an hour and a half away from there. And I figured, you know, while I'm out there, let's see if there's any yarn shops. And I just Googled yarn shops near me. I didn't even really look at the description. And I was really surprised when I went there and saw the fiber mill as well as the yarn shop. Anna was so welcoming and hospitable and sweet, and she did not have to give me a tour, but she did, and I really appreciate it. So if you're in Southwest Michigan, make sure that you check out the Sandpiper yarn store, and make sure you check out the Hoof to Hanger fiber processing mill. I've never been to a more friendly yarn store, so make sure you check them out. And of course, while I was there, I had to make a purchase, so I'll show you what I bought. And Anna was nice enough to give me this beautiful candle for Mother's Day, and it's a lavender vanilla candle, and it smells amazing. So while you're there, you might want to pick one of these up too. They have a lot of really nice gifts other than yarn as well. So this is what I purchased from the Sandpiper, and this was processed from hoof to hanger, and I thought this would make a beautiful wall hanging. So look at that beautiful dye. Oh, I love it. The colors are gorgeous. It is so soft. And this is called Kettle Colors Hand-Dyed Art Yarn, super bulky, 5 to 6. And it is 100% merino wool, single ply, 100 yards. So this will be great to make a wall hanging, and I just love it. And I had to get something to remember our trip by, and I thought, what a better way to do it by having something to hang on our wall. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the field trip. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Check it out, I have a new Patreon tier for only $2 a month. Go to patreon.com/Crojo Corner. If you have trouble sleeping, check out my new channel, Soul Candy Cafe, rain sounds and meditation music to help you sleep.